Okay, so just a very quick question from Mike. Mike is saying the terminologies that we sometimes use, saying risk on buying or risk on selling, what exactly do we mean? Does it refer to buying or selling the actual pair? So, Mike, looking at something like risk on and risk of buying or selling, it can basically refer to either a particular currency or a particular currency pair. So these three pairs are normally the classic risk on risk of movers. We've got the Aussie, the Kiwi, and the CAD, which is your high beta commodity based currencies. And then you have your Swiss franc as well as your Japanese yen, which is your traditional safe haven. So when we say that the Aussie people is buying, there's risk on buying, for example, in the Aussie, that can refer to only the Aussie dollar. But seeing that it is paired here with the Swiss franc, if we refer to it as a currency pair, saying that there's Aussie-Swiss risk on buying, it means that we're expecting market players to buy the Aussie and sell the Swiss franc on the back of that risk on tone. If we say that there is risk of selling, it can either refer to, again, the Aussie dollar or the Kiwi dollar or the CAD themselves, or a pair such as the Aussie Swiss or Aussie yen. So if we're saying, for example, in our dominant currency sentiment theme for today, we see a risk of selling pressure in the Aussie yen, it's because we're expecting players to sell the Aussie dollar and buy the Japanese yen, thus seeing risk of selling in terms of the Aussie yen. So I hope that makes sense. If you want some more clarification on that, please let us know in the question bar.